Hi students, this is Anuva from AglaSem and today we will discuss the questions and answers of class 8, science chapter 9, reproduction in animals. So now turn to page number 110 of your science textbook and watch this video till the end. Question number 1 is, explain the importance of reproduction in organisms. So the answer is, reproduction is a biological process through which living organisms produce offspring similar to themselves. Living organisms reproduce to maintain their number and for the continuation of their species. Thus, reproduction ensures the continuation of similar kind of individuals. Question number 2 is, describe the process of fertilization in human beings. So the answer is, fertilization involves the fusion of the male and female gamete. The male and the female gametes are released from the male and female reproductive organs. Sperms or male gametes are released from the male reproductive organ, that is penis. These sperms then enter the female body through the vagina. Then they travel through the fallopian tubes where they meet the eggs. Hence, the process of fertilization takes place in the fallopian tubes. During the fertilization, the haploid nucleus of the sperm and that of the ovum fuse with each other to form the zygote. The zygote then divides to form an embryo, which in turn develops into a fetus. Moving forward to question number 3, which is, choose the most appropriate answer. First, internal fertilization occurs in female body, outside the female body, in male body or outside male body. So the correct answer for this question is, internal fertilization occurs in the female body. B. A tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of either fertilization, metamorphosis, embedding and budding. So the correct answer for this question is, a tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of metamorphosis. Third, the number of nuclei present in a zygote is either none, 1, 2 or 4. So the correct answer for this question is, the number of nuclei present in a zygote is just 1. Moving forward to question number 4, which is true and false. So the first part is, oviparous animals give birth to young ones. The answer is false. Second, each sperm is a single cell. Answer is true. Third, external fertilization takes place in frogs. So the answer is true. Fourth, a new human individual develops from a cell called gamete. Answer is false. Fifth, egg laid after fertilization is made up of a single cell. Answer is yes, true. Sixth, amoeba reproduces by budding. Answer is false. Seventh, fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction. Answer is false. Eighth, binary fusion is a method of asexual reproduction. Answer is true. Ninth, a zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. Answer is true. 10th, an embryo is made up of a single cell. Answer is false. So students, now moving to question number 5th, which is, give two differences between a zygote and a fetus. Answer is, zygote is a fertilized egg formed after the fusion of the sperm with the egg, whereas fetus is a stage of the embryo that shows all the main recognizable body parts of a mature organism. Another difference is, zygote divides several times to form an embryo, whereas an embryo gradually develops into a fetus. Question number 6 is, define asexual reproduction. Describe two methods of asexual reproduction in animals. So the answer is, asexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction that does not involve the fusion of the male and the female gamete. It requires only one parent and an offspring produced are exact copies of their parents. Two methods of asexual reproduction in animals are, first is binary fission. It is a type of asexual reproduction in which a single cell divides into two halves. Second is budding. Budding involves the formation of a new individual from the bulges known as buds formed on the parent body. Now moving forward to question number 7, which is, in which female reproductive organ does the embryo get embedded? So the answer is, the embryo gets embedded in the wall of the uterus. The embryo, while it is still attached to the uterus, gradually develops various body parts such as hands, legs, head, eyes, etc. The embryo is then called a fetus. Moving further to question number 8, which says, what is metamorphosis? Give an example. So the answer is, metamorphosis is a biological process of transforming a larva into an adult. The life cycle of a frog is an example of this. Question number 9, which is, differentiate between internal fertilization and external fertilization. So, internal fertilization involves the fusion of the male and the female gamete inside the female body, whereas external fertilization involves the fusion of the male and the female gamete outside the female body. In internal fertilization, chances of the survival of the offspring are more. Therefore, a small number of eggs are produced, whereas in external fertilization, chances of survival of the offspring are less. Therefore, a large number of eggs are produced. So students, that's it for this video. I hope you have received the answers for all the questions. In case of any confusion and any doubt, drop a comment in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos.